Let's say you have a scene with two characters, or just a clear separation between one side of the frame and the other. It's possible that you like something from a given take that is ruined by something that happens on the other side of the frame. If that's the case, you can find another take that works better on that other side of the frame and apply a split-screen mask. As an example, I like the boy's performance in this scene.
I told you, I feel fine.
Yes, good. But sometimes that can be a symptom of being sick, to think we're well.
So all healthy people are just lying to themselves?
But it's followed by a line from that woman that is not so good and I would like to replace it with another take.
Yes, good. But sometimes that can be a symptom of being sick, to think we are well.
So I create a mask separating two sides of the frame to create a composite, a manipulated take that has never been captured on set, but that creates a better performance overall. Here's the result.
I told you, I feel fine.
Yes, good. But sometimes that can be a symptom of being sick, to think we are well.
So all healthy people are just lying to themselves?
This technique is used all the time for dialogue scenes, especially for those shot on a tripod, but these days there are also ways to do it for moving camera shots, although obviously there are limitations to it and it's a little bit more tricky. And even though you know what I did here, you still couldn't tell that it's a fake shot. And that's why as editors we sometimes are called invisible performers, because we craft performances not only from the takes we have, but we also create new ones. For the short film called Little Bird, I needed a shot of an empty kitchen. I just didn't have it. But I noticed I can create such a shot by using masking on one of the clips that I had. Because the boy moves inside the frame from one side to the other, we can take these different moments of the same take and merge them together. Again, I just need to stack two copies of the same take, but at different moments. Then I simply draw a mask and feather it to hide the transition. It works and it looks just as well as if they really shot it. A variation of this technique is also often used for transitioning from one scene to another. If you have a moving foreground object, you could draw a mask around it and animate it. But in the short film Stay Pretty, I used it not to transition from one scene to another, but rather to join two takes together and create an illusion of continuity. By the way, this split screen is not perfect. You can see that the man is in a different position on the bed, but I played this scene to the director and a few other people before I told them what I did with this shot, and none of them have noticed. So if necessary, just run this blind test to make sure that it works as it's supposed to.